Bakit mo? Baba. Hintay ha, hintay. Hintay. Mangan. Mangan. Hello, I'd like to greet the Wagoner family from Delaware, USA. Thank you, David, for sending these boots, and of course, thank you, Delaire, for bringing it from all the way from the US to the Philippines. And of course, hello to the kids. I'm currently using this already. It's a Hawk brand. I'm not familiar with the brand, but it says here that it's performance fishing. So the name of the brand is Hook or Hawk. Okay, so thank you so much. I wear it here daily in here in the fish pond, but I also was able to wear it while I was in the airport because I don't want to put it inside the luggage. And it looks like the regular shoes. It doesn't look like, you know, it's a boots that you use for fishing. But what I like about it, it's softer than what I'm using. Compared to this, what I'm using, this one has an insole that are actually softer, and it's comfortable. It's more comfortable using it. So thank you very much, and God bless you all. Okay, bye.